Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect our Power BI to an Azure Table Storage data source and how to consume the data from it. Okay, first of all, we are going to take a look at the data. As you can see, we are already in the Azure portal. We are going to open my resource group and we are going to open the storage account. Once here, we are going to get into the table type storage. We can see that there is a table called JSON employees that is no more than a list of employees working in a company. There are some columns here that contains metadata, and there are other columns that contains employee data, that is what we are interested on. Okay, let's move now to our Power BI desktop. We are going to click on Get Data, and then we are going to click on More. From the left list, we are going to choose Azure. And from the right list, the Azure Table Storage, and click Connect. Power BI is going to ask us for an account name or a URL. The name is the name of our storage account, so if we type it and click OK, Power BI will automatically build the URL for us. If we want to directly supply the URL, we can get it from the portal. We can go to the table storage screen and there we have the URL. But we need to take out the table name from the end of it. If not, it's not going to work. Another option is to choose in the settings the properties option. We are going to scroll down looking for the table service, and here we have the URL. Clicking on the right icon, we can copy it, and then we can paste it in the Power BI. Now, it will ask for the account key. This account key is in the portal. Let's go to the storage account area, and in the settings we are going to click on the access keys. Now we are going to click on show keys. Here we have the account name and also we have a couple of keys. Both of them have the same rights and work in the same way. The reason why Azure brings us two different account keys is just to avoid our applications to have a downtime in case that we want to renew any of them. If we are using the first one and we want to reset it, we just need to set our application to use the second one and reset the first one. In this way, we don't impact our application. We are going to copy it and we are going to paste it in Power BI. It will automatically detect the tables on it. In this case, the only one that we have. We are going to choose it and we can see a preview of the data on it. Now we are going to transform it. The first and the third column contains metadata that we previously saw. We are not interested on it, so we are going to choose them and remove them. The row key is the ID, and the content column contains the data itself. If we click in any of the records, we will see the data of one of the employees. We are not interested only in one employee, but in the whole list of employees. So we are going to go back, and in the header of the content, we see a symbol that allows us to expand this. We are going to click on it, we are going to uncheck this option, and we are going to click OK, and there we have all the data of our employees. Let's rename the row key column as ID, and now let's apply some formatting. The ID and the age should be whole numbers, the name as a text, and the salary as a decimal number. Now we are going to click on Close and Apply, and we have our data ready to be consumed. We are going to add a table, and we are going to add the data of the employees so that we can visualize our data. And here it is. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give a like.